Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances that are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually under the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the House of Nabeel. Yeah, the House of Nabeel is another brand from the UAE, from Middle East, and they have a very extensive fragrance lineup in their portfolio, almost hundreds. And I unboxed and reviewed few of the fragrances before. Majority of them were very good, especially for the price, under £20 in the United Kingdom. And they usually smell good and perform well, and the ratio for what I pay and what I get is always excellent. So when I saw this beauty for under £20 again, this one is in particular called Nabeel Shu Hadha. I think in Arabic translated to English means witnesses or martyrs, or one of those. Anyway, so before I do the unboxing, please, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, or entertaining, hit those buttons, like, comment, share this video with others, subscribe. All those good things will help me, will help this channel to stay for much longer, and I appreciate that very much. Thank you for your support, and let's go. So nice box as always. Middle Eastern brands, Middle Eastern houses, they give you everything plus the kitchen sink for the price you pay. Here we go. So very nice presentation. Thick cardboard, attention to details is there, and it opens like this. Very nice. Look at that. So it opens like this, and then it goes back, and then the bottle comes out. It's a very heavy bottle. So alright, so heavy bottle, very nice beautiful design to it. It's very retro look to it, classic, but very nice design. The cap is plastic, but it's quite a weight to it, and the atomizer is modern plus is silver. Here we go. Very good atomizer. Nabeel always have good atomizers. Okay, so here we go. First impression for Nabeel Shu Hadha, and this is edited perfume, 100 ml, and it's targeted unisex, and it is under £20 in the United Kingdom. Here we go. Ooh, spicy. So the first thing that hits me is the spices. It's very spicy. Fruity. But the fruits is not bright fruit. It's quite a dark fruit, or the fruits are here is a little bit on the dry fruit side of things, not the fresh fruit. Okay. Floral and woody, obviously is very woody. There's no oud at the moment. I'm not sure if there's oud in here, but it's definitely very woody. Leathery, it's got underlying leatheriness to it. So the biggest player right now is the spices. After spices are the fruits, and the fruits are on the dry side, and also the florals are quite big, and then after that is the woods and the leather. It's got underlying sweetness to it, but it's not overly sweet. So right now, for the first impression for a sniff, the sweetness from 0 to 10, 10 being the sweetest, is around 6 or maybe 7. So it is quite sweet, but it's not overly sweet. It's got a greenness to it, so I'm smelling something leafy, something green, something earthy, something again woody, wood trunk, wood chip, leaves of the wood, and a little bit of grassiness as well. Wow, what beauty! Very, very nice. Something quite unique as well, which is these day and age is very difficult to do. So it's got a uniqueness to it, and that uniqueness is, it's like ashy, smoky feel to it as well, and also it's got a little bit of that damp feel to it, that damp grass, damp earth, damp, almost like a concrete damp to it, almost, not much, just a tiny bit, but it's like a concretey, like a wet stone, with wet wet clay or wet earth to it as well. Yeah, but very unique. Maybe not very unique, but it's quite unique. So far so good. It's very it leans towards masculinity. I would say 60% masculinity, 40% femininity, because it's got that a little bit of masculinity in terms of smoky, dark. It's quite dark. It's not too dark, but it's quite dark. Again, from 0 to 10, 10 being the darkest, this is around 6 to 7. It's quite dark, and in terms of sweetness, quite sweet, but everything is done in moderate, in balance, in unison, so nothing is out of place, nothing is shouting, nothing is fighting each other. So it's very harmonious, it's very smooth, it's very good quality. Wow, for under 20 pounds, it smells niche, it smells very, very expensive. It smells at least 5-6 times what I paid for it. Yeah, and it smells a little bit on the classical side as well, because of that woody, oriental feel to it, plus that green mossy. It's got some mossiness to it as well. Smoky, little bit of sweetness, little bit of damp, little bit of dusty feel to it. Leathery, definitely. Woody, definitely. A little bit of uh, floral to balance everything out here. Not too much, just to give it a little bit of softness. And also in the beginning, it's a little bit on the dry, fruity side of things. So it's quite fruity, but it's on the dry fruit. It's not a fresh fruit. And also, I'm smelling something zesty in the beginning, a little bit of bergamot, maybe a little bit lemon, but it's not a huge, it's just a little bit, just giving it a tinge of zestiness for now, for first impression, first sniff. This one is definitely better suited for going out, for special occasion, for evening, for formal occasions, because it's quite on the opulent side. It's very, very nicely done. It's very smooth, it's very good perfumery, it's quite high-end perfumery actually. Look at the presentation, I'll give it 10 out of 10. For the smell, absolutely gorgeous. For the price, amazing. This is much higher quality than what I paid for it. And it smells niche, it smells very quite artistic. So overall, wow, 2 thumbs up, definitely. I'm loving it. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, so it's getting more greener, and it's getting more woodier, and also it's getting more grassier. So wow, what a beauty. Overall, so it starts off with a little of zestiness, a little of fruitiness, but the fruits are here on the little of dark side of the fruits. And also it's got some floral elements to balance everything, just giving it a little bit of softness. I'm smelling something tiny bit of like maybe rose, but not big, just a little bit. And also woody, definitely smoky, earthy, dusty, little bit of powderiness to it, on little bit of damp pavement smell to it. The leather here is giving, I think, that damp feel to it. And also what else? Definitely green, definitely woody, definitely wood chippy, definitely outdoorsy, definitely in the woods. It's like you're in the woods, It's almost spring, or almost between spring and summer. It's not that hot. It's cool. It's still cool, and it's a little bit of breeze coming, and that breeze bring you that blossoms. You know, everything is blossoming. Everything is becoming greener. And but in the same time, because it's rained a lot for the last few days, if you feel the dampness and you feel every every vegetation there, it give you that damp feel or wet feel, or giving it that little bit of humidity feel to it as well. Give it a little bit of smokiness, earthy. Goodness me, what a complex fragrance. This is absolutely gorgeous. I didn't expect that at all. But definitely on the mature side, I would say 25 and up, because it's quite complex, quite on the classical side as well. Definitely leads a little bit masculine than feminine, but again, if you like this kind of fragrances, you know, you could easily, if you're a lady, you could easily wear it. Definitely for going out, special occasion and things like that. And also, this is one of those fragrances that you can utilize it all year round in terms of season, because it's got different component to it that you can easily wear it in cooler weather and also in warmer weather, depending on the trigger. In warmer weather you use less triggers, in the cooler weather you use more triggers. So very, very good quality. So far I'm very, very impressed. In the next video I'll let you know the performance, the development and things like that. But for first impression, first sniff, yes, 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 I'm loving it, and I highly recommend it for now. Let's see how is the performance. If the performance is good, mamma mia, we have an absolute banger on our hand. Okay guys, thank you very much for joining me. If you like what I do, don't forget to hit those buttons. And if you want to support me by buying one of my own fragrances, they are out of this world. They are ultra beast mode, super artistic, amazing value for money, 100% natural, but you need to live in United Kingdom in order to purchase them. The link is in there. If you have it, if you know it, let us know your experience. That would be very nice for others to read your experience. As always, thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye, bye, bye.